Tornado. Tornado.
Tornado. This is a tornado. A tornado is a fast, spinning column of air. It can cause strong damage.
Hurricane. Hurricane.
Hurricane. This is a hurricane. A hurricane is a huge storm with strong winds and heavy rain. It forms over warm oceans.
Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm. This is a thunderstorm. A thunderstorm has rain, thunder, and lightning. It can be loud and strong.
Lightning. Lightning.
Lightning. This is lightning. Lightning is a bright flash of electricity in the sky. It happens during storms.
Blizzard. Blizzard.
Blizzard. This is a blizzard. A blizzard is a strong snowstorm. It has heavy snow and strong winds.
Heatwave. Heatwave.
Heatwave. This is a heat wave. A heat wave is a long period of very hot weather. It can be dangerous for people and animals.
Fog. Fog.
Fog. This is fog. Fog is a thick cloud near the ground. It makes it hard to see.
Hailstorm. Hailstorm.
Hailstorm. This is a hailstorm. A hailstorm has balls of ice falling from the sky. It can damage cars and plants.
Monsoon rain. Monsoon rain.
Monsoon rain. This is monsoon rain. Monsoon rain is very heavy seasonal rain. It brings floods in some areas.
Cold wave. Cold wave.
Cold wave. This is a cold wave. A cold wave is a sudden drop in temperature. It makes the weather very cold.
Sandstorm. Sandstorm.
Sandstorm. This is a sandstorm. A sandstorm blows sand and dust through the air. It happens in dry, desert areas.
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Rainbow. This is a rainbow. A rainbow appears after rain when sunlight shines through water drops. It has many colors.
Microburst. Microburst.
Microburst. This is a microburst. A microburst is a sudden, strong downward wind. It can cause damage in a small area.
Dust devil. Dust devil.
Dust devil. This is a dust devil. A dust devil is a small, spinning column of dust. It is weak and short-lived.
Ice storm. Ice storm.
Ice storm. This is an ice storm. An ice storm covers everything with a layer of ice. It makes roads very slippery.
Snowstorm. Snowstorm.
Snowstorm. This is a snowstorm. A snowstorm brings heavy snow and strong wind. It makes travel difficult.
Drought. Drought.
Drought. This is a drought. A drought is a long time with no rain. It dries the land and affects plants.
Windstorm. Windstorm.
Windstorm. This is a windstorm. A windstorm has very strong winds. It can blow objects around.
Polar vortex. Polar vortex.
Polar vortex. This is a polar vortex. A polar vortex brings extremely cold air from the Arctic. It makes winter temperatures drop sharply.
Temperature inversion. Temperature inversion.
Temperature inversion. This is a temperature inversion. A temperature inversion traps cold air near the ground. It can cause fog and pollution to stay in the air.